What makes a seed grow into a mighty tree? This question is in Stepchild, Skyfather by Dr. Alton Mongolson. Our journey starts on Mongolia's vast plains. Here young Temujin began his life. His world was harsh and beautiful. It shaped him greatly. He would face many tests. Temujin was from a noble family. His father, Yesugei, was a leader, a chief of his small clan. But the steppes were dangerous. Loyalties changed quickly. Young Temujin learned survival. He rode horses, he hunted food, he knew the land well. Tragedy struck. His father was poisoned by enemies. Temujin was still a boy then. His family was abandoned by their tribe. They were left all alone. Imagine the cold, the hunger, the deep fear. These were Temujin's hard lessons. His world was very cruel. Yet this boy had a fire inside. His spirit would not break easily. He became resourceful. He became patient. He grew strong in mind. These trials forged him like steel in a hot fire. He was ready for his path. His journey was only just starting. Perseverance. It is a remarkable quality. It means to keep going. Even when things are very hard, Temujin's life showed this power. He faced many challenges. Many would give up, but Temujin did not. He always found a way forward. Think of a small plant pushing up through hard ground. It struggles, it bends sometimes, but it reaches for the sun. Temujin was like this plant. He was captured by his foes. He was made a slave. He suffered greatly, yet his spirit stayed strong. He escaped from his captors. He gathered followers slowly. He faced betrayals very often. He fought in many battles. Some he won, some he lost. Each loss was a new lesson, each win a step on his path. His resolve only grew stronger. This quality of perseverance is vital for us in our own lives. We face challenges too, of course. Schoolwork can be hard. Learning new skills takes much time. Like Temujin, we must not quit. We must keep trying our best. We grow through this effort and we can achieve our goals. Temujin watched the world. He saw the Mongol tribes. They were scattered all around. They fought each other often. This fighting made them weak and vulnerable to others. Temujin knew a simple truth. Unity is great strength. If only they joined as one. Imagine some arrows. A single arrow breaks easily, but a bundle is very strong. Temujin used this powerful idea. He united warring tribes. He spoke of a shared future. He showed them ways to peace and cooperation with each other. He was a skilled talker. It was not an easy task. Old fights ran very deep. Mistrust was found everywhere. But Temujin was charismatic. He was also fair and just. He treated his allies with respect. He shared what he had gained. Tribe by tribe, they joined him. They saw his clear vision. Unity is powerful in our world today. Families working together are strong. Communities united solve big problems. Schools, sports teams, nations too. When people stand as one group, they achieve more. Temujin showed this great lesson. Unity builds incredible strength for all. Temujin persevered bravely. He fostered unity among people. He did the impossible thing. He brought all Mongols together. In 1206, a great meeting occurred. This was called the Kurultai. Temujin became the Great Khan, the ruler of all Mongol people. He was then named Genghis Khan. Genghis Khan was a great leader, a visionary one for his time. He made a written language. He created laws called the Yasa. These laws brought order and justice too for everyone. He organized his people well. He valued loyalty and skill more than birth. His leadership changed the Mongols from scattered, fighting tribes to a mighty, large empire. It stretched far across Asia and even into Europe. His impact on history is huge. He was a master planner, a brilliant organizer of men. He inspired great fierce loyalty. Temujin's journey is amazing. From an outcast boy to Genghis Khan, the great ruler. It teaches us about leadership. It teaches us to never give up. It teaches working together. What can we achieve in life if we use these lessons well? Our own potential is truly vast.